Henan Zhongrui Machinery specializes in the design, production, and sales of various types of oil processing equipment, including those specifically tailored for cottonseed oil extraction. Their product range includes cleaning machines, flaking machines, softening machines, pressing machines, solvent extraction lines, refining systems, and more. Each piece of equipment is designed with cutting-edge technology to ensure high efficiency, reliability. The company places great emphasis on research and development, constantly innovating its products to meet the evolving needs of the market. With a team of experienced engineers and technicians, they offer customized solutions based on the specific requirements of their clients, whether it's a small-scale project or a large industrial plant. Moreover, the company adheres to strict quality control standards throughout the manufacturing process, ensuring that every machine delivered meets international benchmarks. Their commitment to quality extends beyond production. They also provide comprehensive after-sales services, including installation guidance, operator training. Choosing Henan Zhongrui Machinery not only means acquiring top-notch cottonseed oil processing equipment, but also gaining access to a reliable partner who prioritizes customer satisfaction. If you're planning to set up or upgrade your cottonseed oil processing facility,